The Supreme Court ruled that former U.S. presidents retain significant immunity for acts taken while in office. New York University law professor Ryan Goodman breaks down the court's opinion and what it means for Donald Trump's election interference case.
This is an enormous case for the court. It's one that will be studied for decades. They basically divide up all the allegations against President Trump into three categories. Category 1, issues that are within the president's core powers and he's completely immune from prosecution. Those issues can't even be used as evidence in the case. A good example of that the Supreme Court gives is the pressure that President Trump is alleged to have applied to the Justice Department. The majority says that is within a president's core constitutional authority. A second category is a middle category, things for which a president is presumptively immune, but the government could rebut that presumption and they could potentially be used in the case. A very good example that they give of that is the president's communications with the vice president. And for that, the court says that the lower courts will have to determine whether or not those will maintain their presumptive immunity. And then there's a third category, actions that a president takes that are within his or her personal capacity. Those are not immune and they can be prosecuted. The court speaks to the future. It's not just about the immediacy of President Trump's trial. Big questions about whether a president could ever be criminally prosecuted or criminally liable for directing their Justice Department, for example, to prosecute individuals at their own behest. The court seems to be saying that that is an absolute power of the president that is not subject to review by prosecutors or by courts.